Every relationship speaks a language, but not every couple speaks the same one. The way you show love might not be the way your partner receives it. That's where love languages come in. They're not just a fun personality tool, they're the emotional translator for your relationship. Here's a brief overview of the 5 long languages. Dr. Gary Chapman introduced the idea of 5 love languages: words of affirmation, acts of service, receiving gifts, quality time, and physical touch. Each one is a different way we express and feel loved. Words of affirmation, love spoken out loud, compliments, appreciation, encouragement. Acts of service, actions over words, doing things that make life easier for your partner. Receiving gifts, thoughtful tokens that say, "I was thinking of you." Quality time, undivided attention, and shared experiences. Physical touch, hugs, kisses, and simple closeness. Why do love languages matter? When love languages match, partners feel naturally in sync, but when they don't, it's easy to miss the mark. You might be showing love in the way you understand it, while your partner is waiting for something entirely different. For example, you might plan elaborate dates, but if your partner's love language is acts of service, they may feel more loved when you fix that broken shelf they've been mentioning. Why do love languages matter after betrayal? In relationships that have experienced betrayal, whether emotional or physical, love languages become even more critical. After trust is damaged, partners often feel emotionally disconnected. Using your partner's primary love language can be a way to rebuild bridges without forcing closeness before it's ready. If their love language is words of affirmation, careless comments can deepen wounds, while sincere acknowledgement of their pain can help healing. If it's physical touch, rushing intimacy before they're ready can feel invasive, but gentle, non-sexual touch can restore safety. How can you discover your love language? Take the official love languages quiz. Think about what makes you feel most loved. Notice what you complain about in relationships. It often points to your unmet love language. Watch how you naturally show love. It's often how you want to receive it. How can you apply love languages in real life? Words of affirmation, leave notes, send thoughtful texts, acknowledge effort. Acts of service, cook a meal, run errands, fix something without being asked. Receiving gifts, it's not about money, it's about meaning, a favorite snack, a flower from the garden. Quality time, turn off distractions, take a walk, share a hobby. Physical touch, hold hands, offer a hug, rest a hand on their back as you pass by. It's important to remember love languages are a tool, not a cure-all. They help us understand differences, but lasting connection comes from combining them with communication, empathy, and trust. Love languages remind us that love isn't just about what we feel, it's about what we show. When we learn our partner's dialect of love, we stop speaking past each other and start truly being heard. So ask yourself, what's your love language? And more importantly, are you fluent in your partner's?